What?
Don't always look scared when I enter a room.
Well, I hear there's changes in the bathroom.
You say everything, like, negatively. Say it like, fabulous.
Oh, I hear we're gonna do some more work and spend some more money before we open.
Right now, Sarah wants a floating custom bench in the shower. It's a lot more work, and it's just more than we had originally talked about.
We can also run the base out on an angle like this.
Ankle, what is this, 1988? We're not having an ankle bench. Sunshine.
Another upgrade that Sarah would like to add to the shower is this monolith in the corner with space in it and lighting to display shampoo and conditioner and whatever.
I'm trying to do something that doesn't look like it's every single person's house.
But it changes every 5 minutes. Every time we frame something, we go back and reframe it.
You know, if we had all the time in the world, we would sit down with an architect, we would come back and figure out what works best. And then when those drawings are totally finalized, I would then start the design process. But there is no architect, there is just me and Brian hashing every decision out. So I'd rather take the time now, design things a couple of different ways, revisit it, because once this is all installed, there's no turning back.
Let's draw it out. I got a bunch of prep work to do in here before we can install these bases anyway.
Okay. Can I be dismissed?
There's no way you keep doing this. There's no way we're opening. You don't care?
I think you may be blowing out of proportion the amount of work that is. So it's probably the same amount of product and time.
You've said that 50 times, about 50 different things, and they're all times 20. It's all adding up. At this point, I don't want to argue about it. Just draw what you want.
I'll give you two options.
No, don't give me options. Obviously, we wanted to make sure everything was absolutely perfect. But at the end of the day, this is a business. We have to make sure that we manage the costs and manage the effort that goes in so that we're going to get it back and we don't have to price ourselves way out of the market in order to do that.
Because of the size of the washrooms in the villas in the hotel block, it was quite a large tile order, and I chose a tile that I had fell in love with and ordered it in bulk.
It doesn't look like the sample that we chose from.
No, first box that I opened. Oh, and this one's broken.
But
Well,
look
it's
at
not
the
alright,
difference.
But, yeah.
But look at that.
Seriously, like, as soon as we started digging through boxes, we realized we had like 5, 6 different color variations. Another one that's broken, 2 that are broken.
And look at how white this is. Oh my.
Like, these
It
are
doesn't make any
all
sense.
of our tiles, which can't all live together in one bathroom. That's not the look I'm going for here. I don't know what to do. I can't send it back because there's no option to
cannot
send
send it back.
anything back
No.
on a boat, like days on the water.
This is like 100% different from what we chose. 100% different.
But we have guys on site with
Waiting
like,
for it, yeah. I do think we're gonna have to go through box by box.
What's up, ladies? What's the matter?
so this is the same
Is that all
tile.
the same tile?
Yeah. I'm going back to the manufacturer because this is obviously a
Right.
huge mistake. So
Here's the issue.
Well, we can't get it
You
off
have
the
tilers on the.
We can get it off the island, but we have to pay for it to leave the island, and we don't
That's
get any
not
of the
going on
duties
you.
back.
But he has
Like,
to
once we
make
pay
some-
duty and import this,
Yeah.
that's it. We own it.
With the size of these bathrooms, we need close to 500 square feet. You finished
yeah.
waterproofing. I just need to
We're just
come
gonna
up with a
keep going.
plan B or C or XYZ. I'm holding him up for making progress, and I can't just run to a tile store tomorrow. There will be no alternative on site for weeks.
Sarah and Trish spent a few hours digging through that pile of tile that arrived, and they managed to separate enough of the same color to get the honeymoon suite done.
Where do you want to start? Bottom row?
Yeah. No, let me start at the top. No, let me start midfield. So it's an exciting day.
We're 100% that we're doing brick pattern.
100%. I'm getting a little beat up. We're just going through everything so many times. We can't be making so many changes.
And then once the decisions are made, it's getting the stuff here.
Yeah. Everything is just a logistics nightmare.
But we'll get there, right?
Yeah, we'll get there.
To this point, we've already made a lot of changes, especially in the honeymoon suite, which is a signature property, I get it. But I'm thinking 4 days per shower, which is fine. But then I'm doing the math, times 40 showers, that's a lot of days. I don't have that many days.
Is there room in here for two?
Oh, perfect. You can help me pick all these up.
Sweetie, it looks so beautiful.
What do you think of the bench?
I think it's good.
You like it?
You hated this when I first designed it.
No, I didn't hate this.
You hated this,
I didn't
right?
hate
We had
this.
a massive argument.
But look at this project. And if there was nobody here to say no, all of these added things would spiral out of control, and all of a sudden this would be a project that a billionaire should be attempting. Or one of those projects that people say, oh yeah, the guy that tried to build that hotel went bankrupt years ago and it's been sitting there vacant for 10 years. So now it's a great opportunity to buy it and renovate it. But there's a lot to do. Please, please, please don't make any more changes.
I won't make changes.
Okay.
I'll just refine. Okay. Just stay positive, sweetie. Like, we're putting things back together.
I'm positive there's a lot of work left to do.
Peter and the boys got all the Pebble Tech finished in the pool yesterday, which meant we had to get all the water in after that, so we started bringing water trucks in. We hooked up an old well to get some water in there. The pump we have is a 1/2 horsepower pump, so it's not exactly a geyser. There's a little bit of an algae color in the pool. I think it's a combination of the dirt and the leftover dust. It's going to take some time for the chemicals to do their job, but it's getting there. You know, slow and steady wins the race here. So, what do you think?
It's green,
It's greenish. It's almost the same color as the ocean.
but I want that blue right there.
Oh, you want the you want the next green. Oh, geez.
Clearly, I wasn't specific on the color.
I have to redo this whole thing. No, no.
Why do I have a green pool?
We put all the water trucks in. We actually used one of the abandoned wells to pump it in here.
Okay. Now we have to balance it with chlorine and everything?
Yeah. It'll clear up and it'll be beautiful.
I'm really happy with it, sweetie. Thank you. It feels amazing to have one thing complete.
When we first arrived, the pool was falling apart.
It was probably the least inviting pool I have ever seen. I don't even know if I want to keep the pool here.
This pool is not moving. That would have been pretty much our entire construction budget. So now that she sees the pool finished where it is, it's a great focal point and a feature of the hotel. And I think we're both really happy with it.
I would probably still move the pool. I'm sticking to my first decision. But we've made it look much more contemporary. The marble, the huge slabs on the back wall, the small penny tiles around it, and even the Pebble Tech surface, all of those color schemes work together. It has this soft, mellow beachfront feel.